If Chrome keeps closing itself on your computer, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the most effective fixes step by step so you can get Google Chrome stable again without guessing what went wrong. We'll start with the simplest solution, then move into the settings that most often cause random crashes, sudden closing, and browser instability. By the end, you'll know exactly how to troubleshoot Chrome and get it working properly again. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, restart your computer. This might sound basic, but it fixes a surprising number of browser problems. Temporary system glitches, background conflicts, and memory issues can all cause Chrome to close automatically. To do this, click the Start menu, select Power, and then choose Restart. Once your PC turns back on, open Chrome again and check whether the issue is still happening. If Chrome is still closing itself, move on to the next step. Next, update Google Chrome. Outdated browser versions can have bugs, security issues, and stability problems that cause crashes. Open Chrome. If it stays open long enough, then click the three dots in the top right corner. Go to Help, then click About Google Chrome. Chrome will automatically check for updates. If an update is available, install it and let the browser relaunch if needed. After the update finishes, test Chrome again. In many cases, this alone can solve the problem because browser updates often patch crash and performance issues. Now let's check your extensions. Extensions are one of the most common reasons Chrome randomly closes, especially if one of them is broken, outdated, or conflicting with another add-on. Click the three dots again, go to Extensions, and open Manage Extensions. Here, you want to disable anything you don't absolutely need. Pay special attention to ad blockers, VPN extensions, and any suspicious add-ons you don't remember installing. Turn them off one by one, then restart Chrome and see if it stays open normally. If Chrome stops closing after disabling an extension, you've found the cause. At that point, leave it off or remove it completely. If the problem is still there, the next thing to try is disabling hardware acceleration. Sometimes GPU-related issues can make Chrome crash or shut down unexpectedly. To do that, open Chrome settings, then go to System. Look for the option that says Use Graphics Acceleration when available. Turn that switch off. After that, click Relaunch so Chrome restarts with the new setting applied. Once it opens again, use it for a few minutes and see whether the issue is gone. If your graphics driver or hardware acceleration was causing the crash, this step can make Chrome much more stable. Next, clear Chrome's cache. Over time, corrupted cached files can build up and make the browser unstable. To clear them, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard at the same time. This opens the Clear Browsing Data window. Make sure Cached Images and Files is selected. Then click Delete Data. You can leave other options alone if you only want to target the cache first. After the cleanup finishes, reopen Chrome and test it again. A bad cache can absolutely cause weird behavior, including Chrome closing by itself. If none of those fixes worked, the last step is to reset Chrome settings. This is helpful when a broken configuration, bad setting, or unwanted change is causing the browser to fail. Go to Chrome settings, then find Reset Settings. Click Restore Settings to their original defaults, and then confirm by clicking Reset Settings. This will return Chrome to a clean baseline without removing your Google account itself. It can fix issues caused by misconfigured browser settings, strange startup behavior, or changes you may not even remember making. After resetting, open Chrome again and check whether it stays open normally. In most cases, one of these steps will solve the issue, whether it was an extension conflict, cache problem, graphics setting, or a temporary system glitch. If this video helped you fix Chrome closing itself, please hit the like button so more people can find this tutorial and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tech guides. And if you're still having trouble, let me know in the comments what device you're using and what happened before Chrome started closing, and I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.